Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. In this video we are going to check the JSF conditional navigation rule. So with this conditional navigation rule we can redirect the page according to the input dynamically from the user input. So we are going to check that. So what I'm going to show is this one. This is an example project like a online order form. So I can order pen around my stock is only 20. So if I'm ordering more than 100, more than 20 should be show it should go to stock.xhtml and show not stock, not enough stock. So if I'm going to just giving 10, it will give an proceed to the order.xhtml. So this is actually conditional forwarding, I mean conditional page navigation. So I'm going to show you this, and let's check out how we can do this. Okay, first I'm going to start a dynamic project. So it's Java web application, and I'm giving the project name as conditional now, and just click next. All of this I'm setting as default. Apache is Tomcat is my uh, server. Let me select my framework Java server faces. Now all of these are default I'm setting. We are not going using any components. Just click finish. It will take some time to load the project. Just wait for that. Okay, now our project has been loaded. Let me expand it. So this is my project conditional now. So I have my index page here. I'm going to create two more pages here. So just copy paste two times. Okay, I'm changing the name. I have created the pages, and say I'm going to create a small web application where I can purchase something, say a online shopping site, and from the index page I'll be submitting a form to submit, for example, 10 pens, and in stock in the database, if there is only 5 pens, it should go back to the stock.xhtml and show there is only 10 stock available. And if the request is more less than that of stock, it should go for the order payment process. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do here. So let's check how it works. Now I'm going to create a package in my source packages. So the name I'm giving it as com.chilifax.com, and just click finish. Now inside this I'm going to create a JSF manage bean, and I'm giving the name as let's say it's order. You can give anything. Okay, I'm just showing that. So inside this I'm going to create a private variable like private string stock available. I'm giving it as 20. Okay, so no, this should be int. Okay, private in, so I have put it private in stock available is 20. Now I'm giving another private variable private in the input stock, sorry, input order. I'm giving it as input order. Okay, I'm just creating setters and getters for this. Set input order and get input order. Okay, I have created the setters and getters for this. I'm doing a small update here. I'm making it as public because I want to access this outside the JSF managed bean without the getters and setters. So I'm putting it as stock available 20. Okay, now in the index page I'm just creating a form. So it's colon form. Okay, so I'm giving a small text box here. Order pen, so I want to give the count of pen I need, so it's input text, and just finish this and give a breakpoint here. Now down I am giving a command button, sorry, command button, and there I'm giving a small the value as submit, and I'm not giving the action now. Okay, now let me run this for the first time, and let's move further on this. So to run this, I'm going to my index page and just click run. Wait for some time, it will take some time for the fast load. Okay, the project has loaded. You can see only an input text box and the submit button. Now I'm going to enter, put this value as the order dot order dot input order. Okay, so that will be the input, and inside this order I'm going to write a method. So it is a public string, and I'm just giving it as the name as process order, and ending it here. So if okay, I'm giving the input order here, so I'm giving just condition if input order is less than stock available. First I'm giving less than stock available, return proceed, and now here, so I have given else loop here. So the input order, if the input order is less than stock available, it will be returning proceed. If it's not available, it will return cannot proceed. Okay, let's check that. Now to process further, we need to have a faces config file, because we will have to give the navigation configuration. So I'm going to give JSF faces configuration file. Just click next. That will be the default name. Just click next. Okay, I have created that. Now inside this I'm going to create a navigation rule, and which will be helpful to navigate according to the output which we are getting from here. Okay, now I'm going to set a navigation rule here. So inside this, just set your from view ID, and the from view ID is index dot xhtml. Now put a navigation case. So inside this navigation case, just put from action. So we are going to submit an action form here. Okay, so another tag from outcome, and now again to view ID. Okay, so we have three tags here. From action means from which method, and what is output of that method, and to which view ID, to which page it should forward. Now the from action, we have to put it as here. We have to put action tag here, and the action is from order dot process order. Okay, not me the phrases here. Order dot process order, same action, just copy it. Now come back to faces config. So from action is this one, and now here, if the return is proceed, it should go to order dot xhtml, and same navigation case, I am just copying it again. and if it's cannot proceed, I'm giving it as mm, it should go to stock. Just show the stock dot xhtml. Okay, hope you got this. Let's try running this. So going back to stock page, I'm just printing here not enough stock, and in my order I'm just giving proceed to order. Okay, now going back to our project, let me run it again. So for my confirmation, all the configuration has been reloaded. Going back to our page here. Okay, now I'm just giving the order pen as 10 and just submitting it. I am not sure it will work or not. Let's see. Yes, it's showing proceed to order, so it has been moved to the proceed to order page, the order page, and our stock was 20. Now let me go back again and let me give a store order as 50. Let's see. Yes, it's showing not enough stock. So basically this is the conditional navigation. So going back to our project, I have updated a small h2 tag here, so just to identify which is this page. So in this order.xhtml I have given order, and in the stock page have given a stock. So if I'm giving here 100, should be no enough stock. Okay, and if it is 10, it should be yes, proceed to order. So this is how you can create the conditional navigation, and this will be basically useful in when you are coding a sign in option or a sign in function. If the user is available, go to the profile page. If the user is not available, go back to the index page. So that's all for now in about this conditional navigation. If you have any doubt in this, please comment below. I'll be helping you, and please like and subscribe for my videos, and thanks for watching.